you're going to need 2 parts water, 1 part Epsom salt, 1/2 part Himalayan salt. If you don't have Himalayan salt, you can use sea salt. You will also need 1/2 part apple cider vinegar, essential oils of your choice, and your final container. Today I am reusing an old lemon juice container. I'm using hot water to help the salts dissolve better. I'm going to pour in our Epsom salt and our Himalayan salt. And now we're going to stir until it's dissolved. Now we're going to let it sit for a minute to see if any salts separate from the water. A majority of the salts have dissolved into the water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour all except 1/2 of the water into the final container, and then I'm going to put the other 1 part of hot water into what is left to finish dissolving the salts. Alright, now we're going to take our other 1 part of hot water, pour it in, stir. Alright, now the salts are dissolved, I can pour the rest of this into our final. Now we're going to add 1/2 part apple cider vinegar. Now you add your essential oils of choice.